Didn't you?
But he was sentenced to copy instead. What's wrong with Rodolfo anyway? He is the good boy. And besides me, he's the only one who got brains in the family.
If Rodolfo had brains, then he wouldn't think of going into politics.
And what is wrong with that? Rodolfo would make a fine politician. He's clean, courageous, and sincere. Unlike the others.
But think of all these people coming into our house. Wonderful smile can be pleasant, even if they don't feel like it. Oh, what will my mayor think?
Is that they think what they want to think. I'm sick with them anyway. All he knows is how to throw the most extravagant and ridiculous parties around. They know nothing but a new party.
Not all of them are like that. Some of them are quite promising and things.
Promise me. On the contrary, the promising ones are from the middle and lower classes. They're the future leaders of our country. And Rodolfo is one of them.
If he loses the election,
Well, that is part of the game. Success is first and done. Like a gamble, we are all gamblers in one form or another. I gamble.
don't be insulting. You forget that you were welcome here for 20 years ago.
Small as you may be. And to the law spoiling your social standing. Why? Just think of being the mother-in-law of Honorable Adolph Cruz, representative from South District of Manila.
Oh, I would perhaps you might be right.
I know it, right? And that's not most innocent all over the society papers. Sonia Carmen Reyes, mother-in-law of Representative Cruz of Manila, and most likely invited to Malacanang.
Oh, stop it! You're being excited! Maria! Yes, senor! Call my sensitive ones. I need a new carrier to wear to Malacanang!
Don't expect me, my dear. I have made up my mind.
What's going on? What's that racket all about?
Mother! Rodolfo said that we're going to leave the house and leave by ourselves.
Oh, for heaven's sake, why would you want to live alone?
Because the world never expects to end my very first. Just the other night, I overheard some bad people laughing for living very sad. People think that everything I have came from a rich wife. Nonsense, my boy. There's envious of your success. Think about it. But the truth of the matter is, I agree. I want to be a minister.
Why can't Mr. Cruz give my daughter diamonds and maids and the like she's been used to having?
She's neither diamonds nor maids.
Just me, or imagine my only daughter without a maid who will for Christmas make her red and even curl her hair.
But Rodolfo, did you not promise me more there that she would be here? Yes, I did. But what else did I understand? I said you took my mind.
You didn't care to anymore. There, daughter. You can stay here and let your boyfriend husband do it.
Carmen, stop. Rodolfo only likes to recognize as the man is all right, and that is my daughter's husband. Come on, give him a chance.